everyone. How are you? Fine, thank you.
Hello. So, you want to be a YouTuber but you don't know how to upload your video? Then this video is perfect for you. Because in this video, I am going to explain to you how to upload YouTube videos. First step. Make sure you have a video to upload to YouTube. This step is very important. Why? Because of course you cannot upload YouTube video without the video, so make sure you have one. For better and more features, use YouTube Studio on website. After that, click the upload video button in the top right corner. Choose the video you want to upload. In detail section, add the title of the video. This part is important because it's impossible to upload video without the title. Or is it? For description and thumbnail, you can add them or not. It depends on you. For audience, I recommend you to choose this option and this option. In video elements, add subtitles, end screen or card to your video. You can skip this section if you don't want to add them. I don't want to explain their uses, but I will give you examples of subtitles, end screen, and card. Check the inspection section if there are copyright in your video or part of your video that violates YouTube community guidelines. In the visibility section, choose when to publish and who can watch your video. If you choose personal option, only you and selected users can watch your video. If you choose not public option, only users who have the video link can watch your video. If you choose public option, anyone can watch your video. If you set your video as an instant premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together and at the same time. Put schedule of your video upload time if you want to upload it publicly in specific date and time. After that, click the upload button and wait till the uploading process to complete. Finally, your video is uploaded publicly on your YouTube channel. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you to become a good YouTuber in the future. Make sure you make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this to your friend, your teacher, your family, your pets. What else? Oh, the government.